Morning student. In this lecture we discuss about rank correlation coefficient, that is Spearman rank correlation coefficient. If the rank of two series are given and they are individually assigned, then the Spearman rank correlation coefficient is denoted by capital R or small r and is defined as 1 minus 6 into summation d square over n into n square minus 1, where d equal to the difference of rank x and rank y. Rx rank of series x and Ry rank of series y, and n the number of terms. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient for the following data. Now first we arrange the data in vertical form x and y. Now the Rx and Ry. How to be assigned Rx rank of series x and rank of series y? Now first we arrange the series x in descending order, that is highest to lowest, and assign in generally the rank 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here the 24 have rank 1, 22 has rank 2, similarly 10 is rank n. Similarly, now we arrange the series y in descending order, that is highest to lowest, and assigned the ranks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now the Rx rank of series x, now the rank of 10 is 9, rank of 10 is 9, rank of 15 is 5, rank of 15 is 5, rank of 17 is 3, rank of 17 is 3. Similarly the rank of y, now the difference d, Rx minus Ry, 9 minus 9 0, 5 minus 3 2, 8 minus 2 6. Similarly we calculate the d. Now the d square, the column for d square, 0 square of 0, square of 2, square of 6, and the sum of d square, that is summation d square, equal to 72. Now the Spearman rank correlation coefficient is given by r equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square over n into n square minus 1, where n are the number of terms 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now putting these value in this formula, and we can easily find r equal to 0.4. Thank you.